Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. My name is Niputu Dwi Sucita Dartini. I'm a lecturer in Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha. Today, in International Conference on Elementary Education 2020, I will present the result of my research, entitled Physical Education Thematic Game. Now I will present the PowerPoint of my presentation. Physical Education Thematic Game. Background. This research starts with the implementation of 2013 curriculum in Indonesia. The implementation of the curriculum brought change to the learning approach model in elementary school, namely integrated thematic learning. Thematic learning is a learning that uses certain themes that are studied from many related subjects. Thematic learning aims to the student in the learning process can provide meaningfully to the various themes provided. Through thematic learning, students can be active to gain direct experience and discover from themselves to the various knowledge they are learning. This brings challenge to the teacher in elementary school is to implementing thematic learning, one of which is the physical education teacher. Physical education teacher in Buleleng district have not received training on thematic learning in physical education. Teacher encounter obstacle in selecting activities that appropriate the theme with thematic learning. It is difficult for the teacher to leave the habit of learning activities whose presentation is based on the subject. Teacher and student handbook can help in learning, but they are still lacking because examples of the activities are few. Therefore, the research track to this study want to develop games of physical education thematic learning with theme Diriku for elementary student grade 1. Method. This study using research and development method designed by Borg and Gall just into 3 steps. First, research and information collection. Second, planning. And the third, develop preliminary form of product. Result. The result of the research is the initial prototype product physical education thematic game for the first grade on elementary school student team Diriku, which has been validated by experts. The stake of the research as 1. A research and information collection. 17 teachers still have problem in implementing thematic-based physical education learning in low class. And 20 teachers expect a thematic learning module of physical education as a guide and an example in developing physical education learning in school. Second, planning. Product planning start from 1. Conducting curriculum analysis, especially core competency and basic competency in the first grade of elementary student. 2. Determining themes to be developed from many themes of the first grade. 3. Analysis the choose them. 4. Planning the activities to be selected as material for model development. And 5. Creating a questionnaire for the expert judgment. Develop primarily from product. In accordance with the planning that has been done, 8 games are made that adjust to core competency and basic competency physical education in 8 sub-themes and integrated with the other subjects. For product validation resolved by the expert. The product validation test in the study used 3 experts, namely the content of material expert was conducted by Mr. Dr. Made Agus Wijaya, SPD, MPD, who is a lecturer in a physical education, health and recreation study program. And he has competence in the field of physical education learning. 2. Design experts are validated by Mr. Igede Suwiwo, SPD, MPD, who has competence in the field of learning technology. And 3. File practitioner carried out by Mr. Igede Nova Karsawan, SPD, who is physical education teacher at an elementary school with 10 years of teaching experience and has been certified as the professional teacher. The result of the validation test from the expert judgment can be seen at the table. The result of the validation test from material and design expert obtained as a 19-13% in very good categories and 91% from file practitioner in a very good category. Average presentation of the 3 experts is 92.33 in a very good categories. Therefore, it could be concluded that the product is suitable for use of early stage file trial. Before by tryout, several revisions were made according to the suggestion and input from the validator to improve the initial product draft. Discussion. There were 8 games developed in the module, namely 1. Find Me, 2. Gymnastic, 3. Sugar Cane Game, 4. X and O, 5. Walk, Jump and Hop, 6. Gawat, Keep and Care, 7. Right Place, and 8. Word Circuit. By expert judgment, the thematic games physical education module for the first goal of elementary students with the theme Diriku is feasible or could be used. The game were chosen as a from physical education activity in the form of motion-based because the game because physical education learning is a learning through motion as the medium. Playing is a popular activity from the children and adults. By playing, stability, emotional control can be developed, which are very important for mental balance. Some of the research related to thematic learning and games, such as Gyartama et al., who developed an integrated thematic learning model of physical education and science in subject in elementary school, which saw the feasible of the model that is able to make the average score of student knowledge test is 82.6 in the very good category. Hidayatullah and Kristianto regarding a game-based motion learning activity model as physical education teaching material in the first grade of elementary students. The result of the study showed that the level of study learning complete was 86.37% after implementing the game-based motor learning activity model. And the conclusion is, based on the result of the research and discussion, that the development of physical education thematic game, Team Diriku, is feasible and can be used for the first grade student in elementary school. And the end, and the last, I will say thank you for listening my presentation. Thank you.